Hello students, now our topic is construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's where every string should start with BAB. Now look this alphabet, what is alphabet? A comma B only. So sigma star we know, what is sigma star? Epsilon A comma B comma AA or BB or AB or BA, like any number of strings will get. But they said every string should start from the BAB. So every string, W is a string from the language that must be start with what? BAB followed with any number of A's or B's can come. What is X here? X is what? Either A or B, you understand. Now the language of strings is containing minimum BAB will be there. After that BAB it can come either A, so you understand, BAB, B or BAB, any number of A's can come. This you understand. Now L is subset to proper subset to sigma star or not? It is not equal, it is subset, correct. So now as I mentioned very clearly, look all of you. So BAB, for you first give a transition bar for BAB. So Q naught on B. So Q naught on B, Q1. Now Q1 on A, Q2. So Q2 on B, Q3. So minimum string is Q3. Q3 should accept, so that Q3 should, so like BAB should accept, so for which we need to make Q3 as a final state. After that, if A comes 1A, if B comes 1B, any number of A's, any number of B's comes, that must accept it. Yes, A comma B, I should write like this. But does language contain string started with A, B, A? If it start with A, no, we don't have. So I must control here. So Q naught on A, I should make it Q4 as a rejecting state. So after A, any number of A's and B's comes, that must be rejected. So now I'm asking B A W equal to B A. If A second A comes, is it required to accept? No, it must start with what? BAB, middle should not come anything. So after BB, so you also think BB, if BB comes, that must also reject it. So Q1 on B should reject it, Q2 on A should reject it. Are you getting my point? Sorry, small changes I can do here, I need to do here. Look this here, for this, all of you. See, any number of B comes, suppose B. Is it required to accept? No. Is it required to accept? Means this string is there in language? No, we don't have. So initially any number of B's come, we don't have. Single B only should come. After that only should be there. That is correct only. So on B should be rejected. On B should reject it. Yes or no? So in B. So 2A's should not come middle. BAB only should be there. So Q2 on A also rejection. So Q3 on AB can come accepted. So now this is complete system only. How this is complete system? You can think all of you, because each and every state we mention transition for each input symbol exactly one time only. Yes or no? So can you check all of you? Do we have any at any state more than one transition for input symbol? No, we don't have. Exactly one is there. So this is what complete system. Now you can think number of states. So number of states in FA equal to how many states we got? So 1 2 3 4 5 states we got. As I mentioned, some sequence need to be observed. What is string length? String length is what? BAB. So string length is 3 plus 2 equal to 5 or not? See, initially also we observed start with A was this string length is 1 plus 2 3. Now see, 3 length 3 is a 3 plus 2 5. So some sequence we can think, suppose any question comes, construct the FA that accepts all the strings of A's and B's where every string should start. When they asking start from the BAB, start from some string. So whatever the length start is given plus 2, if I add it, you will get the number of states only here. You will get what number of states here only. Suppose you started with M plus 2. If you started with N plus 2, like this we can think. I hope you are getting, ma. So this observation I am making to reduce the time. Are you getting? So start with single A plus 2 added. AB is given plus 2 given. BAB given plus 2 added. Length of the string started with the length of the string plus 2 you have to add it. That is giving the number of states in FA. I hope you are getting ma. Thank you.